Here are the 50 regular action verbs with their first, second, and third forms, and they're used in sentences. 1. Accept. I accept the challenge. She accepted the award. The offer has been accepted. 2. Achieve. We achieve our goals through effort. He achieved his dream last year. Success has been achieved. 3. Act. I act responsibly. They acted bravely in the crisis. The scene was well acted. 4. Add. I add salt to my food. She added sugar to her tea. The changes have been added. 5. Advise. I advise him to study more. She advised him to stay calm. The students have been advised. 6. Agree. I agree with your opinion. They agreed to the terms. The deal has been agreed upon. 7. Answer. I answer questions during class. He answered the phone. The question has been answered. 8. Appear. I appear confident during interviews. He appeared suddenly. The error has appeared again. 9. Ask. I ask for help when needed. She asked for directions. The question has been asked multiple times. 10. Begin. I begin my day with coffee. He began his speech. The event has begun. 11. Bring. I bring snacks to the party. She brought her dog along. The package has been brought to the office. 12. Build. I build sandcastles at the beach. They built a new house. The project has been built successfully. 13. Buy. I buy groceries every weekend. She bought a new dress. The items have been bought. 14. Call. I call my parents daily. He called his friend. Emergency services have been called. 15. Choose. I choose my words carefully. He chose the blue shirt. The winner has been chosen. 16. Come. I come to the park every morning. She came late to the meeting. They have come to a decision. 17. Cook. I cook dinner every day. She cooked pasta last night. The meal has been cooked perfectly. 18. Cry. I cry during emotional movies. The baby cried all night. She has cried over the loss. 19. Dance. I dance at parties. He danced beautifully. The performance has been danced gracefully. 20. Decide. I decide quickly. She decided to quit her job. The matter has been decided already. 21. Do. I do my best every day. She did her homework. The job has been done perfectly. 22. Drink. I drink water often. He drank a lot of juice. The wine has been drunk already. 23. Drive. I drive safely. She drove to work yesterday. The car has been driven a lot. 24. Eat. I eat lunch at noon. He ate a big meal. The food has been eaten already. 25. Explain. I explain the rules to everyone. She explained the topic. The concept has been explained clearly. 26. Fall. I fall asleep quickly. He fell from the tree. The leaves have fallen to the ground. 27. Feel. I feel great today. She felt sad yesterday. The emotions have been felt deeply. 28. Find. I find inspiration in books. He found his lost keys. The treasure has been found. 29. Finish. I finish my tasks early. They finished the race. The work has been finished on time. 30. Fly. I fly frequently for work. She flew to Paris last week. The bird has flown away. 31. Forget. I forget names easily. He forgot his wallet. The password has been forgotten. 32. Forgive. I forgive people quickly. She forgave him for his mistake. All has been forgiven now. 33. Get. I get up early every day. He got a new job. The package has been gotten. 34. Give. I give my full effort. She gave him a present. The instructions have been given clearly. 35. Go. I go to school by bus. He went to the mall yesterday. The documents have gone missing. 36. Grow. I grow flowers in my garden. She grew vegetables last summer. The plant has grown taller. 37. Hear. I hear music from my neighbor's house. He heard the news on the radio. The sound has been heard clearly. 38. Help. I help my friends with homework. She helped her sister move. The team has been helped. 39. Hold. I hold meetings regularly. He held the baby gently. The records have been held securely. 40. Hope. I hope for the best. She hoped for a good result. The best outcome has been hoped for. 41. Hurt. I hurt myself during the game. He hurt his back yesterday. The injury has been hurt badly. 42. Invite. I invite my friends to the party. She invited him to dinner. The guests have been invited already. 43. Join. I join a club every summer. He joined the team last week. The event has been joined by many. 44. Jump. I jump over the puddle. She jumped in excitement. The kids have jumped into the pool. 45. Keep. I keep my promises. He kept the secret well. 46. No. I know the answer. She knew the truth all along. The facts have been known to everyone. 47. Learn. I learn something new every day. He learned Spanish last year. The lesson has been learned. 48. Leave. I leave early on Fridays. She left her keys on the table. The bag has been left behind. 49. Lend. I lend books to my friends. He lent her some money. The tools have been lent to him. 50. Lie. I lie down when I'm tired. He lay on the grass. The baby has lain in the crib for hours.